In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom mascot character in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to the image generation tool from your dashboard to start creating your mascot. Next, think about the personality and style of your character. A mascot works best when it has a clear identity, so decide if it's cute, modern, cartoonish, or professional. Then, type a detailed prompt describing your mascot. For example, cute 3D mascot character of a friendly robot, big expressive eyes, smooth rounded design, modern text style, white and blue color scheme, soft studio lighting, high detail, brand-ready character design. After that, click Generate and let the AI create your mascot options. Review the results and pick the one that best fits your brand identity. You can refine it by slightly adjusting your prompt, changing facial expression, outfit, colors, or accessories until the character feels perfect. Once you're satisfied, download your mascot and use it across your branding, social media, or marketing materials. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.